I'm Emma Henderson and I run the press for Processions. We're here today in the Meadows in Edinburgh, and it's turning out to be a pretty beautiful day, I'm hoping, but we're just waiting on all the groups arriving with their banners from all over the country for the start of Processions, which kicks off at 2 o'clock.
How many people are marching?
We have got well over 10,000 signed up, and we're just waiting to see who actually turns up on the day.
My name is Fenella Dorney and I am the associate producer on Processions, and I just wanted to tell you a little bit about these scarves that we are going to be wearing on the day of Processions. So these scarves, and you can see them around here in green, white and violet, were sourced for us by one of our Artichoke team members, Geet Sayal. Her mother lives in India, and when we knew that we were going to need hundreds of thousands of scarves for this project, we got in touch with Geet's mother, and she has brilliantly sourced these scarves from different textile manufacturers across India, which has been an absolutely massive job, as you can imagine. But we've had some wonderful girls making these scarves for us, cutting the material and stitching it around the edges so it doesn't fray, and they all know about Processions, so they've been sending us the scarves, sending us their best wishes, and all the women who will wear them on the day, I'm sure, will appreciate it.
And of course there is a link between India and the suffragette
There is a
movement,
link,
isn't it?
exactly. So there was a famous suffragette who was a princess of the Raj who came to the UK and campaigned very, very hard for the suffrage cause in the UK. So it's lovely to have that coming full circle and have India be a part of our celebrations today.
I wish I brought the placard now.
Hi, I'm Jean Cameron and I'm Joint National Coordinator in Scotland for Processions.
And you've roped me into counting scarves
Indeed.
already. Explain what you're doing here, Jean.
So what we're doing, we're in the tent where all our commissioned artists will be coming with their groups to pick up their scarves. So we have green,
Aye.
white and violet scarves,
Right.
which everyone, the women and girls will be getting today, and as you know that they stand for Give Women Votes in 1918 in the suffragette campaign. So we're going to be, the idea today in Edinburgh is that we're really recreating the suffragette flag. And ribbons of colours going down the mound, going down Princes Street, gathering opposite the Parliament, and so it's quite a precise operation just now, just working out how we organise the different groups into green, white and violet. Because this is a project where everybody wants to be with their friends and be together, but we want that visual image to be absolutely, not everybody can have violet. You know, you've got to have the mixture of colours. So this is what we're doing. We're expecting within half an hour from all over Scotland, and actually groups coming up from Middlesbrough, from Lancaster, from Sunderland, from Newcastle, from Durham. Lots of groups that have been travelling from across Scotland and the north of England are going to get here in the next half hour, and I am going to by then have all their little packs of scarves ready.
And this is what you want me to do.
And I thought you might help us do that.
Hi, I'm Heather, I'm from Edinburgh, so I haven't had too far to travel today, but even if I had, I'd be here.
And we work for Creative Stirling and Made in Stirling, but we're here supporting McRoberts Arts Centre in Stirling as well, who have made all the banners, so we're all Team Stirling. Great!
My name's Jo Hall and I'm here from Stirling with Creative Stirling, and we're here because it's a very special time, I think, for women all over the world and in Scotland, and it's great to come out and unite together.
If we are white, Cartwright. My name's Barbara. Barbara Cartwright, with a whole lot of other impressive names like Findlay and Schreiner.
But you were in South Africa.
I was born and brought up there. And my family were always very involved and very feminist. They might have started out as missionaries and various other things, but they were there. And my great niece, one of my great nieces, has now discovered feminism, and she's going for it.
So you're enjoying this one, Barbara?
I mean, I really think that this is a great march. Isn't it good? And it's showing all these visitors. Wow, how good we go. But I need to go and catch up with my folkies. Okay, thank you.
It's been amazing. I can't believe the turnout today. It's been a fantastic response, women of all ages, and a lot of men cheering everybody along, which is fantastic. The whole event's about equality. It's not just about women's rights, the vote. It's a celebration of equality, and you really get that feeling from everybody today. I've lost my daughter
Came to be with all my friends and family, and it's been an absolutely wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Jackie. It's been fantastic marching with all these women today. It's just been an incredible experience. Really enjoyed it. Very uplifting.
Hi, I'm Katya. I'm from Edinburgh, and I've come here today with my mum, and this is better than I thought it was going to be. It's actually amazing. I've had such a good day, and the significance of the day, that it was 100 years since only some women got the vote in 1918, and it was not until the 1920s that it started to become more equal across the female population in the UK. So it's pretty amazing to see people dressed up as suffragettes today, and just the samba bands coming along. Yeah, it's been great.
Yes, I had a fantastic day. I was very moved by the older generation who were standing mostly at bus stops, who were watching, and they had tears in their eyes, and which obviously tears in their eyes, and it made me very proud that the younger generation are still carrying the baton that the older generation started. So we're still not there yet, but
it's the end of the walk, but I don't think it's the end of the process. in a procession, is it?
No, I think it's the start of the younger generation getting more involved in women's politics, and I think that can only be a good thing.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lynn Halfpenny from the City of Edinburgh. Absolutely awesome. Wonderful day.
Jean Cameron, National Coordinator in Scotland. Our march has no finishing line.
Fenella Dorney, Associate Producer. It's surpassed all expectations.